Hello everyone, Ronnie Gunther here with my third vocabulary strategy, and this one is called free word association. I'm having trouble with my words today. I chose this strategy because it is very simple. It's very interactive between the student and the teacher in a class discussion, and I just really like where this could lead to. So basically, this strategy starts off with the teacher talking about a specific topic, and the teacher's going to say the phrase, "When I think about the weather, it reminds me of rain." So the teacher, when she says this phrase, she's going to write down the word rain on the board for everybody to see. And then she's going to turn and she's going to talk to the students, and she's going to ask for a response. So when the students think about the word rain, it reminds them of blank. So she's going to ask one student that. One student's going to answer. So as you can see, again, on my Poplet, the easiest and my favorite way to demonstrate these examples, it says, "Rain reminds me of the water cycle." And then she's going to go to the next student. She'll write water cycle on the board. And then she'll go to the next student, and the student will say, "The water cycle reminds me of climate changes." That's kind of advanced, but, just trying to get those words, vocabulary words, integrating with each other. She's going to write climate changes on the board, so on and so forth. So every time they say a word, she'll write it on the board, and then someone else will answer, "Blank reminds me of blank," and they're just going to keep going. And I really like this because it helps student be able to associate words together without any boundaries necessarily. Like, they're literally just brainstorming and seeing how words can be meaningful and related to each other outside of context, and not necessarily just in a textbook and during the lesson and all of that kind of stuff. How you just sort of start talking about something and you're like, "Oh, this is in my head, and one time this happened and it made me think of this," and now it's all sort of connecting and coming full circle. And so I think that this is a great strategy when trying to get kids to brainstorm maybe about the topic, but out of context and sort of just on their own without any stressors or anything. Thank you.